Hi, this is Ken Roberts. I'm here with the first National Roller Canary Society contest results. The first class was the Champion A, which was judged by Dave Poynton. First place we have Jack Jones on 56 points. Second with Pete Obi on 55 points. And third with Frank Rowley on 53 points. Fourth, Jack Jones with 52 points. Fifth was Jack Jones on 52 points again. Sixth, Jack Jones, 51 points. Jack starting out well. Whether he'll keep this up over the season, it's to be seen. Then we got seventh, which was Owen Boyle, one of the lads from Ireland, on 49 points. Eighth was Jack Jones again on 49 points. VHC, which is very highly commended, was Neil Bradley on 49 points. And HC, which is highly commended, Pete Obi on 48 points. And commended, which is another one of the Irish lads, was Paddy Bulger on 48 points. The second class was a Champion B, which was judged by Fred Barnett. It's nice to see Fred back to judging again. He's had a very serious illness. It's the first time he's judged for a long time. Nice to see him back. We have first, which is Neil Bradley, 50 points. I mean, this lad's just come up from the amateur class. It's the first time he's been showing in the champion class. Well done to him on getting his first prize in the champion class on 50 points. We got second with Paddy Bulger on 50 points. I got third with Pete Obi on 48 points. I got fourth with Jack Jones, 48 points. Fifth with Frank Rowley, 48 points. Sixth, Neil Bradley on 48 points. Seventh, Jim O'Brien with another Irish lad, 46 points. Eighth, Jack Jones on 45 points. And the very highly commended Jack Jones on 45 points. Highly commended Jack Jones, 45 points. And commended, which is Bob McWilliams, one of the Irish lads, 45 points. Then we go on to the amateur class. And this was judged by, the first one was the amateur A, was judged by Stevie Barnett. First was Tom Keithley, 54 points. Second was R. Barry. I don't know his first name, so let's just have to go as R. Barry, 52 points. I don't know any of these young, not young, but new to the amateur classes. Third was J. Canary, 49 points. Fourth was R. Smith, 48 points. Fifth was Jim Young, who won the N.R.C.S big trophy last year on 47 points. Sixth was Tom Keithley on 47 points. Seventh, M. McDonald on 46 points. Eighth, T. Canary on 46 points. VHC, which is very highly commended, on Tom Keithley on 45 points. Highly commended, which is Alan Guest on 43 points. And commended was M. McDonald on 43 points. And we come to the second amateur class, which is the B class, which is judged by myself, Ken Roberts. First was Tom Keithley, 51 points. Second, R. Barry, 49 points. Third, R. Smith, 49 points. Fourth, Tom Keithley, 49 points. Fifth, Tom Canary. Oh, sorry, not Tom, it's a T. Same as say I don't know the first names of most of these amateurs. I'll get to know them eventually, I suppose. which was on 47 points. 6th was Tom Keithley, 46 points. 7th, Alan Guest, 46 points. 8th, Tom Keithley, 44 points. Very highly commended, Alan Guest, 44 points. Highly commended was Jack Scullion, 43 points. And commended was Sid Jones on 43 points. Well, I'm on it. I'd like to thank all the exhibitors for supporting the contest. The next contest is at the Combine, which is hosted by the Midlands Club, and that's to be held on the 26th of the 11th 2011 at the Coppice High School, Wensfield near Wolverhampton. If you have any questions you'd like to ask, you can always contact me, or you can go to my website, which is realken.com, and just click on the Canary blogger, or you can email me at Ken Roberts 2 at ntnworld.com. Thanks very much. I look forward to giving you the next contest results as they come in, or as I receive them. Okay, thank you.